Ever wondered how Keanu Reeves manages to stay so fit and youthful? Well, you're in luck. Today we're unlocking the top 10 healthy habits that make Keanu Reeves the epitome of ageless grace. From his laid-back lifestyle to regular exercise routines and a fresh, wholesome diet, we're delving into it all. Discover how these habits contribute to his well-being, career, and public image. So, without further ado, let's dive into the secrets behind Keanu Reeves' health and youthful appearance. Starting at number 10, Keanu Reeves is a known enthusiast of martial arts. The discipline, strength, and agility required in martial arts are qualities that Keanu has embraced, and they contribute significantly to his overall fitness profile. By regularly engaging in martial arts training, Keanu hones his body to be a well-oiled machine, capable of executing complex moves and stunts that are often required in his line of work. More than just a physical workout, martial arts also offer a mental exercise. The focus and alertness required to perform each move with precision sharpens the mind, enhancing cognitive abilities. It's a holistic approach to fitness that works on the body and mind in tandem, promoting overall well-being. And let's not forget, martial arts training also imbues practitioners with a sense of calm and confidence, qualities that Keanu exudes on and off screen. Martial arts not only keeps him fit, but also mentally alert and focused. At number 9, hydration plays a key role in Keanu's healthy lifestyle. You see, hydration is much more than just quenching thirst. It's a crucial component of maintaining overall health, especially when you're as active as Keanu. Imagine your body as a well-oiled machine. Water acts as the oil that keeps the engine running smoothly. It aids in digestion, keeps our organs functioning optimally, and even plays a vital role in maintaining the elasticity of our skin. Speaking of skin, let's talk about Keanu's youthful appearance. Ever wondered how he manages to look so fresh even in his 50s? Hydration is the secret. Adequate water intake helps to moisturize the skin from within, leading to a radiant and youthful complexion. Now, the key is consistency. It's not about gulping down a gallon of water in one go, it's about regular intake throughout the day. For Keanu, staying hydrated is not a choice but a necessity. At number 8, Keanu swears by a balanced diet. This isn't just about keeping in shape for a role, it's a way of life. A balanced diet is like the fuel for our bodies. It keeps our engines running smoothly. It's about providing your body with the essential nutrients it needs to function optimally. Think of it as a symphony. Every nutrient plays its own unique part, but it's the harmony of all these different elements that creates a masterpiece. Keanu's diet is rich in lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. It's about quality over quantity and understanding that what you put into your body has a direct impact on how you feel and perform. It's not about denying yourself or following the latest fad. It's about making conscious choices, being aware of what your body needs, and giving it just that. Remember, a healthy body fuels a healthy mind, and a healthy mind fuels a happy life. A balanced diet is the cornerstone of his healthy lifestyle. At number 7, regular cardio workouts are a part of Keanu's fitness regimen. The benefits of this practice are manifold, and it's a cornerstone of his approach to maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Cardio exercises, from running to cycling, swimming, or even brisk walking, play a crucial role in burning calories, managing weight, and keeping the heart and lungs in tip-top shape. They're the powerhouse of any fitness routine, and for Keanu, it's no different. But it's not just about the physical benefits. Regular cardio also helps to reduce stress, improve mood, and boost overall mental well-being. It's a time when you can clear your mind, focus on the rhythm of your body, and just let go. Incorporating regular cardio into his routine allows Keanu to stay agile and energetic, key attributes in his physically demanding roles. It's a testament to the importance of cardio in maintaining not just physical, but also mental fitness. Cardio keeps his heart healthy and his body in peak physical condition. At number 6, meditation helps Keanu stay calm and focused. This ancient practice is more than just sitting in silence. It's a journey into the self, a way to connect with the inner peace that's inherent in every one of us. For Keanu, meditation is a tool that helps him manage stress, improve concentration, and enhance his overall emotional well-being. Imagine the mind as a turbulent sea. Meditation is like smoothing out those waves, allowing for a clear, serene surface. It's this clarity that contributes to Keanu's ability to fully immerse himself in his roles, to tap into emotions on demand, and to maintain that cool, collected persona we all know and love. Moreover, scientific studies have shown that regular meditation can physically change the brain, improving memory and cognitive function, reducing anxiety, and even boosting immunity. All these benefits make meditation an integral part of Keanu's routine. Meditation keeps his mind clear and his spirit calm. At number 5, Keanu prioritizes getting a good night's sleep. Now you might wonder, what's the big deal about sleep? Well, not only does it replenish your energy for the next day, but it also plays a crucial role in your overall health. When you're fast asleep, your body is hard at work repairing tissues, synthesizing proteins, and consolidating memories. For Keanu, a sufficient amount of sleep is key to his youthful appearance and his ability to perform those mind-blowing stunts. But it's not just about the quantity of sleep, it's about quality too. Keanu ensures he maintains a regular sleep schedule and creates a peaceful environment to ensure he wakes up refreshed and ready to take on the day. He understands that sleep is as vital as diet and exercise to his health. So if you're aiming for that Keanu Reeves glow, remember, sleep isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Adequate sleep is a non-negotiable part of his healthy lifestyle. At number 4, Keanu has completely avoided smoking and drinking. In the world of glitz and glamour, it's easy to fall into the trap of these harmful habits. But not for Keanu. His clean lifestyle is a testament to his discipline and dedication to his health. Abstaining from smoking and drinking has a multitude of benefits. Smoking, for instance, can lead to a host of health problems, including respiratory issues and various types of cancer. And while moderate drinking may not seem harmful, it can actually lead to liver diseases, cardiovascular problems, and even addiction. By avoiding these habits, Keanu has reduced his risk for these health issues. It also contributes to his youthful appearance. The toxins in cigarettes and alcohol can accelerate the aging process, affecting skin health and overall vitality. His clean lifestyle also boosts his physical stamina and mental clarity, both of which are crucial for his acting career. Avoiding these harmful habits has played a significant role in his health and longevity. At number 3, Keanu never misses his regular health checkups. Now, you might wonder, why are regular checkups so important? Well, they are like routine maintenance for your body. Just as you wouldn't neglect regular oil changes for your vehicle, you shouldn't neglect regular health checkups. These checkups provide a snapshot of your current health, identifying any potential red flags before they become full-blown issues. They can help catch diseases in their early stages, when they are most treatable. Moreover, regular checkups can also help you monitor your health goals and measure your progress. Whether you aim to lower your cholesterol, maintain a healthy weight, or improve your overall fitness, regular checkups can provide valuable insights and feedback. Remember, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Keanu understands this principle and follows it religiously. His regular checkups are a testament to his commitment to his health and well-being. Regular checkups ensure he stays on top of his health. At number 2, maintaining a positive mindset is a big part of Keanu's life. This isn't just about being optimistic or seeing the glass as half full, it's about fostering a mental state that encourages resilience, determination, and inner peace. Keanu's positive mindset is key to his mental health and overall well-being. Imagine facing the challenges of a high-pressure Hollywood career, the rigorous physical demands of acting in action films, and a world that seems to never stop watching. It could be overwhelming, right? But Keanu navigates it all with grace and composure thanks to his positive mindset. He chooses to focus on the good in life, to be grateful for his experiences, and to take on challenges as opportunities for growth. This mindset doesn't just contribute to his happiness, it fuels his motivation. It helps him remain focused, grounded, and ready to embrace whatever comes his way. So, remember, a healthy lifestyle isn't just about what you do physically, it's also about how you think and feel mentally. A positive mindset keeps him happy and motivated. And finally, at number 1, staying active is the key to Keanu's health and fitness. Don't mistake this for intense gym workouts alone. Staying active is a lifestyle choice. It's about making the most out of every moment, every movement, every breath. Keanu incorporates activity into his daily life, whether it's walking instead of driving, taking the stairs instead of the elevator, or simply stretching during a break on set. This constant motion keeps his body functioning at its best, his muscles engaged, and his heart healthy. More than that, staying active keeps him mentally sharp. It's a natural mood booster, reducing stress and anxiety. It sparks creativity and keeps him alert and focused. And of course, it contributes to his physical health, fitness, and youthful appearance. Remember, activity is not just about physical exertion. It's about embracing a lifestyle that keeps you moving, energized, and engaged with the world around you. Staying active is the secret behind Keanu's youthful energy and vitality. So there you have it, the top 10 healthy habits of Keanu Reeves. His laid-back lifestyle, regular exercise routines, and fresh, wholesome diet all contribute to his youthful appearance and overall well-being. From regular martial arts training to maintaining a positive mindset, each habit plays a vital role. Remember, these habits are not just for Hollywood stars. If Keanu can do it, so can you. Start incorporating these habits into your lifestyle today.